Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your job is now done by AI. It sounds like science fiction. But in 2026, it's becoming reality. AI isn't just writing emails anymore. It's coding software, creating videos, designing graphics, analyzing legal documents, and even helping doctors make faster decisions. The jobs at highest risk are repetitive office work, customer support, basic programming, data entry, and routine content creation. But AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing people who don't know how to work with AI. The biggest opportunity in 2026 belongs to those who learn AI, automate tasks, and become more productive than ever. Don't compete against AI. Learn to use it. The people who master AI today could become the leaders of tomorrow. Follow for more future tech insights before everyone else catches up.